Come to your question number 9. In the adjoining figure, each angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2. Your answer is yes, because they have common vertex O, common arm OC, and the non-common arms that are OA and OE are on either side of common arm. Understand? Now come to your second bit. Is angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE? It is no. They have common vertex O, common arm OA, but their non-common arms are on the same side of common arm. Now come to your third bit. Do angle COE and angle EOD form a linear pair? It is yes, because they have a common vertex O and a common arm OE, as you see in the diagram, and their common arms that are OC and OD are in opposite direction and forms a straight line. Your IV bit are angle BOD and angle DOA are supplementary? Yes, because angle BOD and DOA have a common vertex O and their non-common arms are opposite to each other. Your bit number B is angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4. It is yes, because AB and CD intersect with each other. Your VI bit, what is the vertically opposite angle of angle 5? And it is angle COB. Now come to your next number, that is question number 10. Indicate which pairs of angles are first bit vertically opposite angles and second bit linear pairs. First, vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 and angle 4 are vertically opposite, and angle 5 and the sum of angle 2 and angle 3 are vertically opposite in nature. Now linear pair. Angle 1 and angle 5 are linear pairs, and angle 5 and angle 4 are linear pair. Now come to your question number 11. In the following figure, is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Give reasons. It is no. Angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent because their vertex is non-common. Now come to your next question, question number 12. Find the value of the angles X, Y and Z in each of the following. Here is your answer. In the first diagram or I, angle X and angle 55 are vertically opposite angles. That means angle X is also 55 degree. Now angle X plus Y equals to 180 degree because they are linear pair. We know the value of angle X, so we will put here. So 55 degree plus angle Y equals to 180 degree implies that Y equals to 180 degree minus 55 and it is 125 degree. Now angle Y and angle Z, they are also vertically opposite, so Z is also 125 degree. Now come to the second diagram, that is double I. Here Z equals to 40 degree because it is vertically opposite angle of angle 40. Now angle Y plus angle Z equals to 180 degree as they form a linear pair. Angle Y equals to 180 degree minus 40 degree because we know the value of Z, and when it is transposed to RHS it is subtracted from 180 degree and we got 140 degree. Now angle 40 plus x degree plus 25 degree equals to 180 degree. Angles on a straight line or straight angle. Now 40 plus 25 is 65 degree plus angle x equals to 180 degree. Now transpose 65 degree to RHS implies that angle x equals to 180 degree minus 65 degree equals to 115 degree. Now complete question number 13, bit I. If two angles are complementary, the sum of their measure is dash. The sum of their measure is 90 degree. Your second bit, if two angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measure is dash. It is 180 degree. Now triple I bit, two angles forming a linear pair are dash. It is supplementary in nature. Now come to your IB bit. If two adjacent angles are supplementary, they form a dash. They form a linear pair. Your next bit B. If two lines intersect at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are always dash. They are equal. Question number 13, bit BI. If two lines intersect at a point and if one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angles, then other pair of vertically opposite angles are dash. They are obtuse angles. Now come to your next question, that is your question number 14. In the adjoining figure, name the following pairs of angles. Here obtuse vertically opposite angles, that are angle AOD and angle BOC. Adjacent complementary angles, that is angle EOA and AOB. Then triple I bit, equal supplementary angles, that are angle EOB and EOD. Then IB bit, unequal supplementary angles, that are angle EOA and EOC. Then adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair, that are angle AOB and AOE, angle AOE and EOD, and angle EOD and COD.